Alright, we're about to light the finale up right here, so if I die doing this, just tell my kids that it was awesome. It's the Mad Dog, this bad boy right here. I told Tom it was 2 balls he'd add it, but he said no way. Here's the moment everyone's been waiting for. We're about to finally do the finale. This is the moment we've been waiting for weeks. People have been talking about this. We're gonna just douse this baby up here. This takes years of practice to be able to do this. Time went to school, school for 7 years. Our Sitco fireworks spectacular. You guys amped for this? Alright, we're bringing out the big guns now. I got the American Eagle down here. He's going in the back.
You want to put them right there?
Yeah, let's stagger them. It'll probably be better. Yeah.
I got these 2 in the front. Right. I'm going to go here, 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 and then...
And I'll light off?
Light this guy.
You want to go like 4-second staggers?
Right here.
This is pretty sweet. Let's go 3 seconds on the front, 2 in the middle, then we'll wait 4 for the grand finale. This guy will last probably a decent amount of time. Yeah, if you want, we can light the 2, then go to the back, and then, you know, just kick it up with the middle guy.
Alright, wait. Let's reach
I don't know.
Alright, I'm going to do this. Alright, I'm going to do these 2, and then this one. And then, once I have all these lit,
Alright.
Wait right before this one goes, light that one.
How many seconds should I wait for?
I don't know how many seconds, just watch it. Do you got a lighter?
Yeah.